YouTube, my name is Sherry, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you why I am returning this Louis Vuitton passport holder. I shared in the unboxing video that I was kind of thinking about returning it because I really, while I do want it, I really don't need it. And I had originally called to get the special edition or limited edition one for Christmas. This one has the brown interior. I like to get my Louis Vuittons with some color or with something to them to make them a little bit more interesting. I'm really not into just the monogram and brown. They seem kind of boring to me. So that's one of the reasons why I'm actually returning this. And I did share that I do have two other passport covers, which are not name brand. They're just little cheapy passport covers that I bought from like TJ Maxx. But I had thought that I was going to keep this, which is why I've had this for so long. I've actually had this for about 30 days, and I think today is the last day I can return it if I'm not past that date. And so I was watching another YouTube video, a minimalist YouTube video, and it just kind of popped up on my timeline. And I was watching her video because she was showing how she packs for a month to go overseas on a vacation. I think she was headed to Europe, and she was just showing how she packs like a month worth of clothes into a little small tiny 20-inch suitcase. So I was very curious of that because I'm always trying to figure out how to minimalize things that I'm taking on trips and to really maximize what I'm wearing and not having multiple shoes and pants and shirt, and how I can, you know, switch up my outfits and just make the most of my space in like a smaller suitcase, because I don't like to travel with a bunch of stuff. And in that video, while she was packing her passport, she actually pulled out one of these little Coach little wristlets, and she did something that just kind of caught my attention. She took the wristlet and then she opened it, and then she stuck her passport in the wristlet like this. And so when I saw that video, I was like, okay, you know how you just take things for a sign and you're like, that's a sign. So I saw that video, I saw her do that with that wristlet and put her passport in a wristlet like this, and I was like, you know what, I could use my wristlets more by carrying these as passport holders. While I do think this is nice, one of the things that I don't like is that the fact I don't go out of seas like every week or every month or, you know, every few months. I go like international probably once a year. And so I would really only use this once a year. And while it's not very expensive for Louis Vuitton items, I just don't want this laying around because I already have a lot of other Louis Vuitton pieces kind of laying around that I'm not wearing or using that often. And so while I know that this is a piece that I wouldn't use that often, I really just don't want to have another piece sitting in my collection or in my drawers collecting dust. So I want to put this money towards something else, which I kind of already did. As you all know, I did unbox my Speedy 20, and I bought that before this, but this one came first before that. So I figured I've already bought that bag. I have it in my collection. I can just return this and then I'll get that credit back on my credit card, or I'll find something else. I do have one other piece from Louis Vuitton that if I can get my hands on, I will swap these out for. But as of right now, I'm just going to return this and use this as my passport holder. And this is large enough to fit two passports. You know, these things have a lot of room because I do use these for makeup. So this is very sufficient for me, so I can hold two passports, different things like that. It's secure, and no one would reach in and notice that it's a passport. No one can reach into, you know, somewhere and take it, because seeing this, they'll kind of notice that it's a passport cover. They'll be more inclined to grab, I guess. Not really, but you never know. Just kind of, this is a bit more inconspicuous as a passport cover. So just gonna return this back to Louis Vuitton and get my money. So, and let someone else who would probably benefit from having this have it. So this is my short video on why I'm returning this cutie. If you have any questions about this video, please leave them down below. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I post another video. Thank you to my subscribers for watching. Thank you all for supporting this channel as we close out this year. I definitely want to encourage you to please subscribe so I can try to do a 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So once I reach that magic number, I will do a giveaway. And you all have a good rest of the day or time or whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Alrighty, bye.